Okay, so
What are we doing today, Captain Bush?
today we're gonna go to the island of Carriacou. Carriacou.
I think it's Carriacou.
Okay, we're gonna say Carriacou. Water Taxi is gonna come pick us up from the Paradise Beach Club, which we had dinner at last night. It's really nice. We're gonna go to the largest little town on this island called Hillsborough. Check it out. Maybe do a little exploring. At some point, we've got to go to the customs office and clear out, which then we'll have 24 hours before we actually have to leave, and we're not planning on leaving until tomorrow. We'll be out of here before lunch tomorrow, so we'll clear out, come back down to the beach area. I think there's 2, maybe 3 restaurants on this beach, so we may check out a different one tonight, or not.
What'd y'all think about dinner last night?
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty good. I had a good chicken burger. It was really good. Their fries here are really good too for some reason, and we can't figure out if they're frozen or. I mean, I'm pretty sure they make them, and they're not always frozen. It's the islands.
The chicken wings are so good.
Yeah, chicken wings were money.
Yeah.
I think I'll get those again.
That's why I'm wanting to go again.
Well, if we're also going for lunch today, you can get them for lunch today. Okay.
What did the horse say when it fell down?
What?
I can't giddy up.
Good one.
Yeah, sit up like well. And then you're covering dad now. Now you're covering dad. Perfect. Your hat is just all of
All right. Here's a boat tour table. This is the aft cabin. What do we call this? Also the cockpit. Here we are drying some clothes. Here's our galley. Learned how to use that new coffee maker. Here is the salon. Say hi, boys.
No.
And I'll take you. This catamaran has 4 cabins, 2 on each side. Here's one. Best I could do making the bed. Here is one head. They all have en suites. That's what that looks like. There I am. Hello. And this is Boston. And you pick up that, pull out the little wood piece, put that cushion down, and that makes into a full bed, but it also gives him access to his drawers down below. And his head just looks the exact same. Nothing too exciting. And here we are back in the salon. Downstairs, exact same thing. We'll go upstairs. These tiny little steps that you always stub your toe on, or at least I do. And here is where we drive the boat. That's it for our boat tour. today.